Archaeologists have recently uncovered the 4,100-year-old tomb of Tetinebefou, a distinguished physician who served the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. This significant discovery was made at the Saqqara necropolis, a vast burial ground that has yielded numerous insights into Egypt's Old Kingdom. Tetinebefou held several prestigious titles, including chief dentist, director of medicinal plants, and conjurer of the goddess Saqqara, the deity associated with protection against venomous bites. These titles suggest he was a leading medical practitioner at the royal court, directly attending to the pharaoh himself. The tomb's walls are adorned with vibrant paintings and hieroglyphic inscriptions that have remarkably retained their color over millennia. These artworks depict various containers and tools likely used in medical treatments, offering a rare glimpse into the practices of ancient Egyptian medicine. Despite evidence of ancient looting, the tomb's well-preserved decorations provide valuable information about the medical expertise and cultural significance of physicians during this period. This discovery not only highlights the advanced state of medical knowledge in ancient Egypt, but also underscores the esteemed position held by medical professionals in the pharaonic court. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discoveries.